Hi everyone, this is Brad. So lately I've been looking for something that YouTube used to do around 2017. They stopped doing is combine two videos together, like two YouTube videos or two videos that are on your computer, on your phone, so on and so forth. Well, if you have a Windows-based device, now this is the best one. I went through a lot of websites searching for this. If you type in movie, so for Movie Maker, select it, let it open up. We're going to select yes. And then all you need to do is say add videos and photos. So let's go ahead in. Let's find the specific video. Let's do this one. And let's do this one here. So we're just going to hold down Control, get both of them, select open. And you can see they're now together. When you're ready, of course, you can go ahead and play it. But when you want, you can go ahead, go to File. You can go to Save Project As if you want. Or I do Save Movie. For me, I'm going for high definition display on here, and then I'm going to upload to YouTube. You can see your other options here, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And then you can go ahead and upload directly to YouTube or wherever it is that you want, and both of the videos are together. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.